In this video, I'm going to talk about the system design. So far, we are talking about the barriers of communication and their management. So system design is also part of that. So organizational structure. So the organization should have a clear information and how to communicate with the people. The next one is insufficient and inappropriate information system, information overloaded. So first thing, insufficient. So the information passed by the receiver is not so far reached in a correct way. The next one, inappropriate information system. So inappropriate means not in a proper channel. Then information overloaded. So when we are talking, we should not talk about the things the same thing in a different way. It is like which point the receiver should take. It is overloaded. Okay. The next one is a lack of clarity in roles and responsibilities. So if a system is designed mm, by the organization, it should be clear and everyone should take the responsibility for that, and each one has the responsibility to take over the system. The next one is a lack of supervision or training. So when we get a lack of supervision and training, the organization fails to reach the goal. So the communication should be in a good way, in a supervision and the training also. The next one is distraction. So distraction of message is also a new term, like a kind of loss or deformation, mispresentation or alertation taken place in original message while sending it to audience. So the message what we are receiving, it should be in the original form. Like we have an example, like when we communicate with 10 people, if I start with the one person and I communicate with that first person, if I ask the first person to communicate with the second, and second to the third, and third to the fourth, and from fourth to the next numbers and to the last number, the communication from the first to the 10th is totally differs. We have a practical example the in the classrooms, or while we are conducting some games in the classrooms. So this is a good example for the original message convening the people. Then there are types of distraction. First type is systematic distraction. Systematic distraction means purposely changed. Next one, fog distraction. For information is lost. So totally the 10% is lost the information. The next one is migrant distraction, extra unwanted information. So unwanted information is also be passed. Then status and power differences. Differences in communications are likely to parallel the differences in power. So it is like imbalancing about the power, and the negotiation power leads the high power party to perform significantly better than the lower party. So the people will have a significant role, and the power of the party also. So this is the status and power differences. So next one is physical barriers. So in the physical barriers, we have three types. One is channel, second one is climate, third one is comfort. So we'll discuss about the channel first. Availability of channel to receiver, choice of channel, then handling of channel by communicator, reach depending on size and audience, might, etc. Noise level in channel, presentation of information, message, treatment, and the messages. See, I give you one example. Dogs for sale will eat anything, especially like children call for more information. So this is all a simple statement, but it conveys correctly. Common words are used. The next one is climate, extreme temperature like hot or cold, then bright or dim light, then high humidity. So these are all the physical barriers faced by the people. Then next one is comfort. So we have seen about the point comfort in the previous slide. What are all the things the person should be concentrated. So we'll see the next things in the next video.